Hi friends, we have covered the BMTC 131 December 22 question paper part A, section A on the previous video. Now we are covering section B. So the first question is evaluate the following integral. Integral of x minus 2 divided by x square minus 6x plus 10 into dx. So from this we can see that the derivative of, firstly write the question. So we can see that derivative of this term is 2x minus 6. So we have to write step 1. The numerator according to 2x minus 6. So half will be outside 2x minus 6 plus 1. Otherwise it will be x minus 3 divided by x square minus 6x plus 10 into dx. So we can split this term like this. Plus 1 by x square minus 6x plus 10. So by the rule, integral f of x plus 1 minus g of x is equal to it is a property of integral. We can rewrite so now we have to integrate these two terms. So step 4, we can take the half outside. So when we integrate this 2x minus 6 divided by x square minus 6x plus 10, we get log into this term base denominator or denominator. This is the integration of this term x square minus. That's why we write in like this 2x minus 6 plus 10. Now this term can be written like this: into x minus 6x 3 into 2 into x plus 10 can be written as 3 into 3 or 3 into 3 plus 1 square. Okay. Now this can be again written like minus 3 whole square plus 1 square. That is, this is 1. This is 1 by a square plus b square. Here a is x minus 3, the whole square. B is 1 square. So the integration of 1 by a square plus b square is equal to tan inverse a by b. So that is tan inverse, here a is x minus 3 by 1. So we can rearrange it the whole term like this. Step 5. Final answer. Half log x square minus 6x plus 10 plus tan inverse x minus 3 plus c, where this is the final answer, where c is the integral constant. Constant. So the next question is 2b. Find the dy by dx for the following cases. First one, y is equal to the whole bracket x plus into x plus sine square x for cube raised to whole fourth. Second one is x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 is equal to 16. Here two cases are there. First we do the first case. This is the first case. Here we can use the chain rule. Let's take this innermost function as u, then y become u raised to 4. So by chain rule we know that dy by dx is equal to for the derivative of this y into derivative of u, 4u cube, that is 4u cube into du by dx. Now put the values, that is into 4u cube is x plus sine square x cube all raised to cube into derivative of u is equal to d by dx of d by dx of x plus this is the, we have to take the derivative of this term. So we have already done the first part here. Now moving on to the next part, this part. Fine. Now we can rewrite this again, x plus d by dx of d by dx of x is equal to, this will become 1, and again we use chain rule, this term be v and inner function, and the outermost function is y is equal to v cube. So the differentiation will be dy by dx will be 3v square into dv by dx. 3v square is equal to this x plus sine square x into all raised to square into dv by dx is d by dx of plus sine square x. Again we take we have got this term. Now we take this term. Plus square x. Here it is not I, that is plus signal. So dy by dx of x is equal to 1 plus dy by dx of sine square x. Sine square x can be written as sine x into whole raised to square. Again we use chain rule. Here sine x is equal to u, then y is equal to u square, then dy by dx is equal to 2u into du by dx, that is 1 plus 2u is equal to 2 sin x into derivative of u cos x. 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin into 2x. So this will become 1 plus sin 2x. So we can rewritten the whole term like this: 4x plus x plus sine square x. Into the next term is this big term, 1 plus 3 into x plus whole square. Into dy by dx of this term, that is into 1 plus sin 2x into 1 plus sin 2x the whole bracket. We can write more clearly here the answer: 4 x plus sine square x cube raised to okay. Whole cube into 1 plus 3 into x plus sine square x the whole square into 1 plus sine 2x. This is the final answer. So the next question is x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 is equal to 16. So So x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4. We differentiate with respect to x or both on each term. This is y. Divided by dx of dy by dx of x raised to 4 is equal to 4x cube plus dy by dx of y. We can use chain rule and power rule here and write this term as 4y cube into dy by dx is equal to 0. Derivative of a constant 16 is 0. So again rewrite this term as 4y cube dy by dx is equal to minus 4x cube. Here move this term to here. Then by dividing both sides by 4y cube, the final answer will be dy by dx is equal to minus 4x cube divided by 4y cube. By dividing both, removing 4 on both term, the final answer will be minus s cube by y cube. This is the final answer. So the next question is 3a. Evaluate the following integrals. First one, integral 1 to 9 2t square plus t square into root t minus 1 t square into dt. Let's do that. A first one, 2t square plus t square root t minus 1 by t square. Integral 1 to 9. So we can divide each term with t square. So rewrite it as 2t square by t square. T square cancel plus t square root 2 by t square cancel minus 1 by t square. So now we can distribute the integral to each term. So it will be integral 1 to 9 2 plus integral 1 to 9 root t can be written as t by 1 by 2 minus this can be written as root integral to 9 t minus 2. So by integral x raised to n is equal to x into x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. This is the form. So this will be integral 2 is equal to 2t 1 to 9 plus integral of t raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to t raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 3 into t raised to, which is equal to 2 by 3 into t raised to 3 by 2. So we write that here 2 by 3 into t raised to 3 by 2 1 by 9 1 to 9 plus minus t raised to minus 2 plus 1 plus minus 2 plus 1 is equal to t raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1 is minus. So here it will be plus t raised to minus 1 is 1 by t. 1 to 9. Now we can put the values. So 2 into 9 minus 2 into 1 plus 2 by 3, 9 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. 1 raised to 3 by 2 is 1 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 1. So here we can calculate the values. 2 into 9 is 18. 18 minus 2 is 16. 2 by 3 into 9 raised to 3 by 2 is 9 into 3 into 1 by 2. 9 raised to 1 by 2 is root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. 3 raised to 3 is 27. So 27 minus 1 is 26. Into 26 plus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 1 by can be written as 9 by 9. So 8 by 9 minus 8 by 9. So the final answer is 16 plus 52 by 3 minus 8 by 9. Now we want to make the denominators of each term 9. So 16 into 9 is 144. 52 to make denominator 9 we multiply by 3. So 156 minus 8 by 9. So this is equal to, this is 300 if I am right. 300. 300 minus 8 is 292 by 9. This is the final answer. The next question is second one. The integral 0 to 3 pi by 2 mod of sin x dx. First we need to know 4 quadrants. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. Here all are positive. Here cos positive. Here sin positive. Tan positive. Cos positive. So 0 to pi by will be separate. 0 to pi sin x dx plus pi to 3 pi by 2 sin x dx. It will be, here it is positive, sin is positive, but here sin is negative, so we negative here. 3 pi by 2 sin x dx. Now the derivative of sin x is minus cos x. Minus cos x 0 to pi minus cos x pi to 3 pi by 2. Here it is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. So minus cos pi by minus plus cos 0 minus cos 3 pi by 2 minus minus plus cos pi minus cos pi is minus of minus 1, which is plus 1, plus cos 0 is equal to plus 1, minus of cos 0 3 pi by 2 is 0, plus cos pi is minus 1. So this minus will be here, so it will be plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. This is the final answer. So the next question is 3b. Find dy by dx when y is equal to x raised to x plus x into e raised to x. Firstly, we derivative this term and this term bu, this term by v. So u is equal to x raised to x by taking logarithmic on both sides. Log u is equal to x into log u. Now differentiating with the du by dx on both sides. Here we can use product rule. D by dx of f g is equal to f prime g plus f into g prime. So derivative of x is 1, derivative of into log x plus derivative of x into derivative of log x is 1 by x will be 1. So log x plus 1 into 1 by u du by dx. When we multiply both sides by u, it will be du by dx is equal to u into log x plus 1. This is the first term. V is equal to into e raised to x. Again we use product rule. D by dx f g is equal to f prime g plus f g prime. So here derivative of f is equal to 1 into e raised to x plus f is x into e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So the final answer will be, here we can take e raised to x out. So it will be, now we can put the derivative of u and v and together. So we will get dy by dx equal to, here u is equal to x raised to x. So it will be x raised to x log x plus 1. It is the final answer. So the next question is find all the roots alpha, beta, gamma of the cubic equation x square x cube minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. Also find the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma and alpha plus gamma. So first we want to find the roots of cubic equation. 4a. Cubic equation is x cube minus 7x 0. Firstly, we put 0. So at that time 0 is not equal to 0. So 0 is not. Put 1. 1 cube minus 7. That is also not the answer. So put minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube plus 7 minus 6 equal 0. So minus 1 is a root and x plus 1 is a factor. Now check for 2. 2 cube minus 14 minus 6, which is not equal to 0. Now put minus 2. Minus 2 cube plus 14 minus 16 is minus 8 minus 6 plus 14 equals 0. So minus 2 is a root, x plus 2 is a factor. Now put 3. 3 cube minus 7 into 3 minus 6. 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 21 minus 2. So 3 is a root, x minus 3 is a factor. So alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha is minus 1, beta is minus 2, gamma is 3. Now also find the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma and alpha plus gamma. New roots alpha plus beta. Beta plus gamma. These are the roots. So we can write cubic equation like this: y cube minus 7 y square minus sy square s1 y square plus s2 y minus S3 is equal to 0. Here S1 is the sum of all three roots, that is minus 3 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So this term will be 0. No, this term y square term will be 0. Now S2 is equal to S2 is equal to multiplicative sum of two terms, that is alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma, alpha plus gamma. So that will be alpha plus this is alpha, beta and gamma. Alpha into beta is minus 3 plus beta gamma is 2 plus alpha gamma is minus 6 which is equal to minus 7. So second term will be S2 is minus 7, S3 is multiplicative of alpha, beta, gamma. So that will be minus 3, 2 into 1 is equal to minus 6. So the final term is y cube minus 7 minus 7y minus 6 is plus 6. This is the final term. So the next question is B. If y is equal to x cube into cos x, then find the nth derivative of y. Formula for this is k0 to n k u k u raised to n u raised to k 9 into u raised to k into n minus k. Here we can take this x cube as u, cos x as v. Then u 0 is equal to x cube. First derivative of u is equal to 3x square, second derivative 6x, third derivative 6, fourth derivative 0, and it will be 0 for k greater than or equal to 4. So we take k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now the pattern for derivative of v cos x is equal to this is the pattern. Now we put the values. U raised to 1 into v minus n minus 1 plus nc2 u square v raised to n minus 2 plus nc3 u raised to 3 into v n minus 3. Now we want to calculate the values of n0, nc0 is equal to n factorial into k factorial. K is this bottom term minus k factorial. Okay. N factorial, that is n factorial divided by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial, which is equal to n minus n factorial by n factorial, which is 1. Here k is equal to 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial. We can rewrite it as n into n minus 1 factorial divided by 1 factorial is 1, which we can cancel, divided by n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 and n minus 1 cancel, so it is n nc2 n factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial can be written as 2 factorial is 2 into 1, which can be written as 2. Cancel, which is equal to n into n minus 1. And c3 is equal to factorial divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial into n minus 1 into 3 factorial divided by 3 into 2 into n minus 3 factorial, n minus 3 cancel, is equal to 2n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 6. So by again putting the values, y raised to n is equal to nc0 is equal to 1, uc0 is equal to x cube. So here we write s cube into vn is equal to cos x plus n pi by 2 plus nc1 is equal to n into n into u1 is equal to 3x square into Bn minus 1 is equal to v raised to n minus 1 is equal to cos x plus pi by 2 plus nc2 is equal to n into n minus 1. u2 is equal to u raised to 2 is equal to 6x. Here it is one mistake. Here there is 2. Here only these and cancel, so it is n into n minus 1 by 2. So here it is 2 into 6x, I think. Yes, 6x. So here we can cancel and rewrite it as 3x into n minus 2, v raised to n minus 2. So into cos x plus n minus 2 pi by 2 plus final term will be nc3 is equal to, here it is n minus 1 plus nc3 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 the whole divided by 6 into u raised to 3 is equal to 6 into 6, here 6 cancel, into v raised to n minus 3. V raised to n minus 3 is into cos x plus n minus 3 into pi by 2. So we can rewrite it neatly. Y raised to n is equal to x2 cos x plus n pi by 2 plus 3nx square into cos x plus n minus 1 into pi by 2 plus n into n minus 1 into cos x plus n minus 2 into pi by 2, I think. Yes, plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into 4x plus n minus 3 into pi by 2. This is the final answer. So we have, thank you. So we have completed the section B of this 2020. In the next video we will talk about section C. So see you on the next video.